You're welcome. Hey, Maria, this is your 31 consultant. Wanted to just make a short video to see if this will help. When you log into your Facebook, type in Maria's 31 Holly Buys, and it'll pop up over here, shopping experience. Then click on the one that has the graphic that you can see the 31 products. And then right here is where your event should be. You will invite the people that you want, and I've already invited you. So once you accept the invite, you should be able to invite your guests to the party. So it looks like, see, I've already invited you here. So once you accept that, then you'll be able to then begin to share with everyone about your virtual party, the shopping links, and then I'll continue to upload additional details for everyone. So again, it's Maria's 31 Holly Buys virtual shopping experience. So I put 31. Let me know if this helps. Thanks, love.